the soon-to-be legendary Hugh Hendry. Sort of rhymes actually in a nice and very pleasing way. Legendary Hendry, who is founder of Eclectica Asset Management. And Hendry's just announced in the session here at GAIM that he's going to launch a new fund, the Beat the Politicians Fund. Tell me, Hugh, what exactly is that going to be?
Well, that's not its official title, it's the Eclectica Credit Fund. But in all seriousness, the politicians are out to get us, they're out to get hedge fund managers. And I don't think it's justified, but it's a reality. And I had a famous disagreement, if you will, with the world-renowned economist Jeffrey Sachs recently on British television. And I took great umbrage with his notion that speculators, that the travails of Europe were formed 10 weeks ago. You know, the reality is that global macro managers like myself have been thinking about these issues and articulating our great fears, not for 10 weeks, but for 10 years. And therefore I'd say to you, and I'd say to those politicians, that we're smarter. We actually know what their next step is before they know it. And what I'd say to you is that in taking on a naked short position in the Greek CDS, that was not contentious when it traded at 50 basis points. Today it trades at 900 and they wish to abolish it. Okay, so the reality is you have to move on and you have to find asset classes which are priced as though they're not contentious, but they have the prospect of being contentious. And so the most contentious thing you can say today is that you are agnostic, in fact more than that you are brazenly bearish, if you will, on the prospects of China, on commodities, and the world of being long corporate credit. I wish to confess that I am guilty as charged, as in having reservations. Now, there's this awful thing called business franchise risk. We love our clients. However, our clients will fire us if China goes up and we're not there. They will fire us if commodities go up and we're not there. And they will most definitely fire us if credit continues to go up and we're not there. So you find today that the world is all the one trade, that all of your managers, if you're running a fund to fund, they all disappoint you in May. And they all disappoint you in the fourth quarter of 2008. I am the exception to that. I am the least correlated asset in the world. I made 50% in October 2008 and I made 2% last month. Okay, that's what I'm selling. I'm selling the world's most uniquely uncorrelated new fund.
And you think you can continue to be uncorrelated going forward?
I believe so. I think it's in my DNA, and I believe that all managers, they have their lucky trade. You know, for all the craft and the guile and the intelligence of Paulson, he also got a bit lucky.
But to get 2008 right and 2009 right, that's more than lucky.
No, indeed, absolutely.
November
but what I'm
and
saying, to separate yourselves from mere mortals, you need a bit of luck. The genius is stay lucky.
And continue to believe in yourself.
That helps. Well, that can be hubris, but you know, keep doubting yourself, I would say. Keep doubting yourself. Keep doubting your portfolio. And today we run, what I'd recommend in the world of global macro is that unlike other asset classes, we're not Delta 1. We're not Delta 1, which lowers the volatility, and we offer, across the sector, we offer transparency, and you can clearly see that if our premise is correct, then we have a very high probability of making money.
Thank you very much, that was very interesting. Hugh Hendry from Eclectica, thank you.
Thank you.